Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to create an ambigram on this website called flipscript.com. If you need an example of an ambigram, you can check out Lil Wayne's previous album cover called Funeral. If you flip around the word funeral, it actually spells Lil Wayne. So I think that's really cool. I know a lot of people use this for tattoos because it has like a double meaning, you know, literally. And so yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button and let's get straight into it. So right now we're on flipscript.com. You just want to go to create, and basically it'll give you two different templates. These are two different fonts. The first one's a lot more similar to the Lil Wayne cover art. And so I'm gonna basically find two words, like just random words, and hopefully they go well together. It is a generator, so it isn't like custom work where it's almost guaranteed to look good. Depending on the two words you choose, they might look a little bit off just because of the nature of this generator. So let's just say we need two words and amount of letters is like 5. Let's make it 5. And then generate those words. Pitch and tired. Okay, so we're gonna do pitch and tired. Hopefully it looks good. So this is pitch, and if you slide right on your mouse, it'll rotate it, so it says tired. So that's about it. It has a bunch of different ways to lay it out so you can see it more clearly, or if you want them side by side and stuff like that. But I think that's about it. You can actually get it on different products. I don't think you can actually save it. Like, it doesn't let you right click or anything like that. So I assume that you can just like use this as a guideline type of thing if you're finding it difficult to find ways to create an ambigram. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped you out. If it did, hit the thumbs up button. My name is Steven, and I'll see you in the next one.